Hello everyone and welcome back in this YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the bags you need to buy, and they are already available on my website, bamluxurystore.com. I'm a bag lover and I've created this YouTube channel first to translate my passion, to show you some tips, give you some tips on how to spot fake bags, fake Hermès sandals or vlogs, and so many other things. And thanks to this YouTube channel, I created my own company with Vincent, my partner. We sell pre-loved luxury bags, designer bags, and accessories. So we don't take in consignment shoes and ready to wear, but we sell luxury bags and accessories. For example, wallets, small pouches, watches, and so on. I'm gonna first show you these items and then explain you, but everything is on the website, photos, description. We ship worldwide and we include customs and taxes in the price. So you have nothing to pay above what you see on the screen. Let's start first with this beautiful Chanel bag with the box. It's a full set because I have the box, I have the dust bag, and I also have the invoice. So it was bought in store directly. You have also the ribbon, which is great. It's super cute. So let's see. It's a very, very recent bag. We have a top handle Chanel bag. As you can see, the details on the top handle is great. This is a gold hardware, and as you can see, the closing of the bag is cool. The bag is as new since I think it was almost never used. I'm going to show you why. We still have some protection plastic on the bag, which is completely normal. You have like the new plate with numbers and letters. It's the newest versions of bags with the authentication. It will come, of course, with an entropy certificate for these ones, for example, and my authentication. I am a bag luxury expert, so I do authenticate myself every item that goes through this. Everything passed by me, of course, at the office. We never sell anything if it's not coming here to authenticate, to check everything. So this beautiful little bag is 4,870 euro. You have all the description on the website, the size and everything. If you have any questions, also don't hesitate. Feel free to ask me in the comment section. I'd be very happy to answer. If you need like more photos, more videos, don't hesitate to ask me under this video or directly on Instagram also. Okay, next will be a small accessories from Hermès. So I do have a box and we have the beautiful ring in silver. It's a croisette, so it's the size 53. And I'm going to just show you how it looks like when you wear it. So this is silver. You can, like, if you prefer, polish it in store. It's free. It's a free service from Hermès. The price for this one is 489 euro, and it's in very, very good condition. So you won't need necessarily to polish it like right now, but just to let you know that it's a free service. I've done it for my ring here and another one, and I never had to pay anything. So feel free to do it if you want. Okay. Another bag, and I have a box dust bag copy of the invoice, and we do have this beautiful Neo, in ballerina pink. That is a bag that is in excellent condition, very good at least. It was used just a little bit here, we can see it, but otherwise very, very good. The pink is great. I've had already this bag like twice in 3 years, but that's it. This is a bag that is very, very trendy, and lots of people are asking me for this bag. What I love is that you have the top handle here, but you can also switch it like up. You just have to declips and it creates a crossbody bag. So this was a pain point on the vintage version of this, the Noe, and you also have a pouch inside. That was another pain point for the other bag, the old version. The inside is in very good condition. It's a pink suede leather. Beautiful. And the price for this baby, 1,669 euro. I really advise you to go very fast for this one. I believe it can go very, very, very sold out instantly. Next, I do have a Gucci bag. This one is brand new. I do have the dust bag, and this is a mini Jackie, the classic version. Excellent condition as new. We have also the strap. If you want to wear it as a crossbody, you can. This is what I love about this mini, that you can wear it as a small bag or as a crossbody bag. Inside is very, very good. Price is 1,549 euro. Excellent. Next, I want to present you this Dior bag. This is a Bouline one in leather. And this is kind of a rare bag. It was from a previous collection. On the bottom, it's kind of a rubbing material. So cool. White and navy blue leather. As new, honestly, as new for the bag. This would be the perfect gym bag or like a travel bag or even like a work bag. So you have a strap that you can remove and adjust if you prefer. And let me show you the inside that is huge with different pouch. You also have a little paper here, but you have a very, very big interior. Bag is great, excellent condition, and the price is just insane, 1,335 euro. This is a very, very small for the price, knowing that it was sold around between 3,000 and 4,000 euro in store when it was released. So it's kind of a good news. Next, we have a small accessories from Louis Vuitton. I do have the box and the little dust bag. Let me present you the Louis Vuitton Agenda PM size in yellow epi leather. Beautiful, gorgeous condition, very good. We can see like trace of wear here on the pressure button, but otherwise, very, very good. You have an inside that is like dark violet. Excellent. You can like buy the insert, like the agenda insert directly on the brand, Louis Vuitton or Amazon, Etsy, whatever. If you need like links for this, don't hesitate, ask me. I will give you the links for the agenda inserts, to-do notes. You don't have to do like the agenda thing. You can also include like to-do notes or anything that you prefer. And the price is 215 euro. You could also fit inside like cash envelopes. I know some people are doing like cash, I don't know how do you call it, cash fittings or anything like this, but anyway. So this is a great thing. It will call the cash to you. Next, Gucci with the box. We also had the dust bag. And I'm presenting you the wallet on chain, interlocking G-chain in grained beige leather. Very nice, champagne hardware. This is a great first bag because it's like the size is perfect. You can fit a phone. It's not too big. This is a bag that you can wear as a crossbody or as a pouch. You can wear it during the day or for a dinner, for a party, whatever. Grain leather is also very resistant. Corners are just a little bit rubbed. Inside is very good. Let me show you. But it's a very good one. Like I had it like in black personally. I would have preferred it in beige, way easier to wear it during summer. And the price is 680 euro. This is also part of why it's a good first one. The price is very reasonable. Next, as you can see, I already had the info, the color. You have the dust bag for this one, and we have a mini Evelyn in orange Clemence leather, silver hardware. This is a pre-loved one. It was already used, but in a very, very good condition. I do have also the dust bag for the strap, and inside is excellent. The price for this little one is 2,639 euro. So beautiful. I love the color. It's like very Hermès, I have to admit. Next, a beautiful Chanel classic flap 1112, double classic flap. Insane, 25 because it's 25 centimeters. It's a medium one. Lambskin leather, black lambskin leather, gold plated, as you can see, with logo clasp in front. We do have a double chain, or you can wear it as a crossbody bag. The outside is actually in very good condition. It was well cared. Corners are very good, almost not rubbed. The shape of the bag was a little bit used, obviously. It's not brand new. Let me show you the inside. So these parts are very good. And let me show you the inside now. So the inside here is beautiful. You have the sticker. Also here is good. I have like the card, my price. And the only thing about this one are the little pouch here that are damaged. They were back then sticky. Everyone was cared, so now it's perfect. You can use them with no issue. And this is a good one. Price also is very fair, 3,790 euro. Next, Saint Laurent with the dust bag, and Dust bag and copy of the invoice for this one. Cassandre Saint Laurent with the top handle. You have a strap that you can wear, like lightly adjustable, but almost not. I love the leather. It's smooth leather gray, silver hardware, excellent condition for this babe. To open it, you just have to check here, and it opens you the bag. You have so many place inside. So this is a copy of the invoice for this bag. This is a very, very good little one. 2 pockets, large, 1 small here. The back pocket also here. But the vest also, well, you have the papers. The vest is a price. The price is €1,339, which is very, very low for this bag in this condition. I had to negotiate a lot for this bag, but so happy to present it to you. Very easy to wear and to style for the color. It can go like with any outfits for any situation. All year long. Another one, Louis Vuitton Agenda PM size monogram canvas. The little Prussian button has marks, but almost nothing, and quite classical. Inside is excellent, and it's a very good everyday one. It fits almost in any bag because it's small. €259. I don't have anything to say because it's good. Next, a Chanel with the box. I also do have the dust bag. Let's open it here. And I also have like the card, the little like glove and everything, which is cool. This is kind of almost a full set. So let's see with the bag. Ta-da! This is a Mademoiselle chain for the bag. This is a lambskin red leather with the logo here. Bowling kind of bag. Corners are a little bit rubbed. Very, very minor. The leather is great. You can wear it also as a crossbody. You can change the size of the chain. And each side is full of pockets. So inside is perfect condition, full of pockets, very easy to wear. Price will be let on the screen, but I believe it's €1,390. Very, very good. And another Chanel with the dust bag this time. Very rare Chanel mini square iridescent pink. It's like sparkling iridescent kind of, but lambskin leather. Corners are corners are a little bit rubbed, almost nothing. You have the back pocket, the famous one. Let me check my price first to be able to have it in mind. Okay, this is a champagne hardware, so it's not gold either, it's not silver, it's champagne. So it's a mix of both. Let's open the bag, but it's in great condition, honestly. A rare bag. We have the card also. You will have the entreprise certificate with all the bags that are more than €1,500, except for the Hermès one, Mini Evelyn, because entreprise is not working for 2024 and 2025 yet, but let's hope soon. Anyway, I do authenticate everything, and for the Hermès one, I will have another authenticator. I always try to have double authentication. So this one is €3,190. That was all for today. Don't hesitate to subscribe to this channel and to go on the website bamluxurystore.com to have a look for photos, description, and to order, of course. If you have any questions related to fees, to purchasing the bag, or authentication, photos, or whatever, I'm here to answer, of course. See you soon. Bye.